the Fed, to probably cut rates in September and even maybe one more before the end of the year. So we'll have a CPI data coming out from Switzerland, which is lower than expected, which is deflationary for the currency. And I think looking for trading currency pairs, currencies against the safe haven currencies may be the best thing to do for now, but not yen pairs like I highlighted in my previous video, because we are expecting anytime, any moment, we don't know, but anytime soon the Bank of Japan can come and intervene. So you better wait, for that intervention to dry up. And then nothing has changed because of the interest rate differentials. All these currencies are still going to be moving ahead of the yen. So and also follow the UK Prime Minister election that is happening today, because we could also see some surprises in the market in relation to the pounds. So thank you very much, traders, and trade carefully. Peace.